So we're going to move on into what is now probably the most popular new type of business structure, which is the limited liability company, aka the LLC. This business structure was permitted by a Wyoming court ruling in January 1998, and it's now recognized in all the United States and in the District of Columbia. So it is recognized everywhere, the LLC. Okay, so limited liability company, an LLC, it combines features of the partnership and the corporation status, but really it's not either one of them. The owners are often called members, and the number of members may be unlimited. A crucial part of this is members may be individuals, corporations, or other LLCs. So a member is really any independent entity. So it could be, again, it could be an individual, it could be a corporation, it could be another LLC. And they're called members, and the number of members is really truly unlimited. So creating an LLC is pretty easy. You choose a business name. This is a unique business name, cannot be taken. So you just want to make sure that your business name is okay in your state. So go to the state registry and find out which business names are available. If you have one in mind, make sure it's not taken. Then you're going to file the articles of organization, and this is a basic and simple document that makes sure that your LLC is legally legitimate. And it includes different things like your business name, the address of the business, and different names of the members of your LLC. From there, you create an operating agreement. So this is an agreement on how the business will be conducted. You obtain the necessary licenses and permits that you would otherwise. And then you get out there and you do your stuff. So what do you do for filing taxes? An LLC is not a separate tax entity. It's not like the corporation. It's not separate. All federal income taxes are passed on to the members of the LLC with their personal income tax return. So anything they get out of the business, they are taxed on individually. An LLC must file the appropriate corporation, partnership, or sole proprietorship paperwork. And remember, there's always the possibility of requesting an S corporation status for your LLC. So you can move into the S corporation status if you need to. As with other business structures, there are advantages and disadvantages to running the LLC. The disadvantages are it may have a limited life. This is important to add an exit clause in your operating agreement so that members may exit at any time. The structure itself may vary from state to state, so you want to make sure that within the state you're operating that you have the proper structure and operating correctly. There is a limit of case law that is setting precedents for the LLC, how it's structured and how it runs its business. Sometimes there may be a little bit more complexity in the legal process and the structure of an LLC. However, there are advantages. Profits and losses are subject to personal taxes, but that is sometimes flexible depending on the LLC within the different states. Personal assets are protected. So as a member of an LLC, if something happens to that LLC, my home and my assets are protected somewhat. Again, this is a little bit different depending on the structure within your state. Usually there's limited government involvement, there's less record keeping, and again, the key factor is there's no limit on the number or types of owners.